In this video, we're going to learn how to add a drop-down menu in Google Docs. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We are in Google Docs, and what I want to show you all is this amazing feature, the drop-down menu. Now, I think this can be used in so many different ways, but in this video, we are looking at how to take attendance using the drop-down menu in Google Docs. Now, if we were starting from a blank document, you would simply need to, of course, insert a title at the top, whatever you want. And then you would simply need to insert a table. Now you can add however many rows and however many columns that you want to, but this is how you would need to start. And for me, I've already done this. I have the name column and my attendance column, right? You can go ahead and list all the names on the left-hand side of your students or whatever it is that you're creating your menu for. Then you want to go up and select Insert, scroll down, you will see Drop Down, and from here you're able to create a new drop down menu. Now notice I already have an attendance menu, but I'm going to create a new one so that you guys can see what that looks like. So you're going to name your menu, and again I'm going to just say attendance. And then here is where you will put your options, such as tardy, present, absent. You can also change the color of each one of these options. All right, so that's what I'm showing you here. If you don't like something, you can simply delete it. You can add a new option and so forth. And then, of course, you will save this. Now, I already have it here, so I'm going to select the drop-down menu to show you what that looks like. If Amy is absent, I will select absent. If Amy is present, I can select that. And then if Amy is tardy, I can select that. And of course, it's color coded, so it's easy to see right away whether the student is present, absent, or tardy. Now, another way that you can use the drop-down menu is by having students go in and simply select whether their project or assignment is completed, whether it's still in progress, whether they haven't started yet, or maybe they need help, and that can be an option for them to select here as well. So think about what ways you can use this in your classroom and get started. If you like this content, please support the channel, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time iTech On Demand posts a new video. Thanks for watching.